Remote deposit capture from Ameris Bank saves you a trip to the bank and allows you to deposit checks right from the comfort of your office. This video will walk you through the steps of setting up this convenient service. First, let's start with the Remote Deposit Dashboard. You can access the dashboard by visiting amerisbank.com and selecting the Remote Deposit Login option on the homepage. Enter your user ID and passcode. If this is your first time logging in, use the temporary passcode you received via email. Now that you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard snapshot of open, pending, and recent deposits. You'll also see system or deposit batch alerts. If you are an administrator, you will have access to additional functions to manage users for your remote deposit capture account. Here, you can verify all of your users' information, as well as their location and account access by clicking on the individual's name. If you need to reset a user's password and/or security questions, click the vertical dot menu button and select Reset Questions or Password from the drop-down menu. To edit a user's location, accounts, and roles, click on the horizontal dot menu. Adding or deleting options is as simple as checking or unchecking the boxes. A user role defines the access and functions available in the system. Users can be assigned multiple roles that might be required to do their daily tasks. Each role definition appears to the right. When you're finished setting permissions, click Done. Remember to click Save if you've changed anything for a user. You can add a new user by clicking the plus sign, and a blank user form will appear. Enter the required information. Select roles, locations, and accounts. Click Save, and your new user can begin using the system immediately. Now, let's talk about the scanner. Setting up your scanner is simple. If you already have a scanner plugged into your computer, disconnect it. Now you'll need to download the WebScan software that will help your computer to communicate with your scanner. To download this software, log in to the Remote Deposit system by going to amerisbank.com and selecting the Remote Deposit Login option on the homepage. Enter your user ID and passcode. If this is your first time logging in, use the temporary passcode you received via email. Once logged in, click on Help and scroll down to Retrieve WebScan. Click the link and a file will start downloading from the site. Please note that the WebScan file is large and may take time to download. Once the download is finished, go to Your Downloads and double-click the executable file. You may see a pop-up box that says the file is unsafe. Don't worry, this file is safe and can be trusted. Click on Run Anyway and then click on Continue to finish installation. Once the WebScan is finished, plug your scanner back into your computer. Log out and log back into your Remote Deposit dashboard to refresh your settings. If you need additional support, please schedule an appointment with our support services partner, Benchmark Technology. Refer back to the initial email you received to schedule an appointment. That's it. Now you're ready to start making deposits.